The knowledge sharing will improve teaching learning process to the students and benefits of the society. So I am thankful to the management principal for providing such a wonderful platform to do this type of activities during this lockdown period. And my special thanks to today's resource person, my brother and my friend, close friend, Dr. Professor, Dr. Udara Vedukondla Garu. Very thankful for accepting our invitation and act today as a speaker. So thank you, even though you are very busy in schedules, different schedules in his college. But thank you, sir. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation and
acting. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So I hope you all are making a grand success of this event. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, one and all. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay. Now I request our today's speaker will take the this section.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Suresh, sir ki etla sharing chestara?
Sir, make me as a co-host. Sir, make me as a co-host.
No problem, sir. Directly you can share your PPT presentations.
Directly.
You can start the session.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Directly share చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది కదా సార్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్
లేదు హోస్ట్ చేయమంటారా హోస్ట్ చేయమంటే చేస్తాను
బాగా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ వచ్చిన అడ్మిట్ చేయడం నువ్వే చూడు అంతా
ఓకే సార్
డైరెక్ట్ షేర్ చేసి సరిపోద్ది సార్ ఏడుకొండ గారు
సార్
డైరెక్ట్ గా మీరు షేర్ చేయండి మీ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా షేర్ అయిపోద్ది అందరికి మీరు
ఓకే రైట్ సార్
ఓకే
Sir, is it visible? My screen is?
Full screen. Please
Yeah. Is it okay, sir?
Yes, okay.
Yeah. Shall I start, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, are you using your webcam, sir?
Yeah, no, sir.
Video?
No, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, due to bandwidth issues, I stopped my video, sir. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Sir, Venugopal, sir, మీది ఆఫ్ చేయమంటారా?
నా ఆఫ్ చేసి వీడియో ఆఫ్ చేసి.
Okay, sir.
Right. Good morning to one and all. This is Dr. Edukondalu Udara, Department of ECE, Sri Vasavi Engineering College, Tadapilligudem, Andhra Pradesh. At outset, I would like to thank the management, principal sir, and my friend and co-scholar Dr. C.H. Venugopal Reddy Garu, head of the department ECE, for giving this opportunity. First, I would like to congratulate the Department of ECE for organizing wonderful sessions. I think this is third session, and I also congratulate the departments. They got recently NBA accreditation. And coming to my session, so I welcome you all to my session on open source tools for online teaching. So in the last 2 months or 2.5 months, we are receiving Google Forms, Google Doc Forms, various engineering colleges all over the country, and we are filling the forms, and we are attending the workshops or webinars or FDPs and etc. And we are getting the certificates. So this is a continuous process since April ending, March ending. So it is going on. We don't know till what is the end. We don't know. So here I am going to talk about. These are my contents. Familiar with G Suite. So how to create a Google form. So for example, if you want to organize, for example, this program, the coordinator. So the coordinator before organizing this one, first he has to plan. So what are the requirements? So what are the requirements from the participants, like email IDs, their names, their college name, and their designation, and the state, okay, gender, and etc., and their mobile number also. So once he created the Google form, he will send to the participants through various channels like WhatsApp or mails and etc. Then after getting the responses from various participants from various colleges all over the country, then he will plan and he will execute the programs. So my question is how to form the Google Doc or Google form. So what are the steps we have to take to form the Google Sheet or Google form? Then how to conduct quiz examinations in the Google form, and how to generate the e-certificate in this form, and how to insert audio into a PPT, and how to create or how to add some mathematical expressions or formulas in the Google form. So these we are going to discuss in the first session. Then coming to in the second session, afternoon session. So what are the different applications available to conduct or to organize a meeting or FDP or workshop or webinar? So what is the procedure to create the meeting apps, and how to operate? So we will discuss in the afternoon session. So in the morning session, so to create Google form, or to use any Google applications, so first we have to log in into our Google Gmail. Okay, so in the Gmail,
पढ़ा रहा है, इससे अच्छा तो मैं पढ़ा लेती थी, मेरे को भी नहीं बुलाएंगे.
is it audible, sir?
मालूम है इन लोगों को जो बोलते ना मम्मी, इनको पैसे मिलते. जब मैं इनके जैसे बड़ी टीचर बन जाऊंगी ना.
Venu sir.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. I am the.
Yeah, somebody talking, sir.
Yes, sir. I
So
have
please mute him.
Muted it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So now my screen is visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Could you please send the PPT also?
Yes, sir. Let the section be completed.
Okay, we'll send, no problem. Is it visible or not?
Yeah.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
put full screen, sir.
Just a minute, sir. I'll make all these members as muted.
Okay. Shall I continue, sir?
Yes, sir. You can continue, sir.
Yeah. So before creating a Google form, first we have to log in into the Gmail account. Then in the Gmail account, there is one app. So here, these are the Google apps. So click on Google Apps. So we have so many options are there in Google Apps, like Play Store, Contacts, Calendar, Translate, and Photos, Google Search, Gmail, and Shopping, Google Meet app, Google Docs, and Google Books. So we have different Google applications are available here. So you want to create Google form. So click on Google Drive. So this is our Google Drive. So click on that. So one window is open here. So this is my Google. This is my drive only.
Sir, there is a non-sync of PPTs and voice, sir.
PPTs I close now.
Close it, sir. We are not.
Wait. 1 minute. Okay, sir. Is it okay?
No, sir. We are seeing it as only first slide, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Sir, HOD, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Now, sir.
Yes, sir. It is Google Drive, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Google
sir.
Drive.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So to create a Google form, so first we have to open our Google Drive. So in the Google Drive, so here there is a left side corner, there is a new. You click on that. So we get different applications, different G Suite applications like file uploading in the Google Drive, folder upload, then Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. So here there is a Google form. So to create new Google form, you click on here. So here there is a blank form is available, and so some templates also available. So some standard templates also available. So to create a new Google form, click on blank form. Then the new Google form is open like this. So here there are 6 options are there. Right side 6 options are there. This is for add question, and this is for importing the question bank or assignments or quiz and etc. Then this is for add title and description, and this is for if you want to add any image, we can use this option. Then if you want to add any video signal or video, so we can use this option, and this is for add sections. So for example, if you want to conduct or if you want to give assignment to the students, so the assignment consisting of, for example, 3 sections like quiz. First section is quiz, second section is 1 mark question, and third section is descriptive type. So we can divide the sections like that. So for that we can use this add section. So the first one is for add question, new question. The second one for import questions, either assignment questions or 1 marks questions. Then the third one is add title description. So for example, now we are conducting, so the RISE, the Department of EC is organizing this open source tools for online teaching. So there is some description, so organized by Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So there is a last date, submission date, and etc. So there is a description. So if you want add additional description to the title, so we can click on double T, then add image, add video, and add different sections like quiz section, 1 mark section, then descriptive section. So these 6 options are very, very important. Then here the 6 more options are there, like this is very important. This is add-on. So this add-on is used to generate the e-certificate. Then this is theme, customized theme. So if you want to change the colors, or if you want to add some background, we go for customized theme. And this is to preview. This is just like preview. So after forming the Google form, after formation of the Google form, so we can view the questions just by clicking the preview. Then these are some settings. So these settings are used for online exam, quiz exams, so some presentations and some information is there. So I will explain you later. Then this is send option, and here this is one more option is there. So here some options are there like make a copy, get free linked filled link, and print option is there. If you want to print Google form, we can print using this print option. Then we can add collaborators. So for example, here I am creating one Google form. So if you want to add one more person to the if you want to give permission to one more person, so I can add collaborators. So we both can change the or we both can monitor the Google Sheet or Google Form. Then okay, add-ons. So add-ons to the different applications are there. So different applications are there and etc. Then so here the title untitled form, it is untitled form. So for example, our title is some FDP, Faculty Development Program. So this is the Google Form title, Faculty Development Program. So you click on untitled.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Continue, sir.
Okay. So this title is FDP. Then click on untitled form. We get the same title here, or we can change the form also. We can change the title also. And this is form description. So for example, this program is organized by the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, some Sri Vasavi Engineering College, Tadapalligudem, Andhra Pradesh. And the submission date, we can give the whatever information you want, you can write here. So this is form description. So after form description, so what is the information we required? For example, if you want to conduct one program, so we require some name of the participant. So for the name of participants, in the right side, we have different options. So like short answers, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid, okay, tick box. So these are the different options. So the short answer question means it allows up to 250 characters. So for example, what is the name of the participant? So name of the participant, or name of the department, or name of the college, or designation, or mobile number, and etc. So all these are comes under short answers questions. So if the question is maximum, it allows only 250 characters. So if you want more than 250 characters, so we go for paragraph. So in short answer questions, so my first question is, what is the name of the participant? Name of the participant. So the name of the participant is, it is a type of just like short answer, and it is compulsory. So when you send a Google form to the participants, so this field must be filled by the participant or student. So for that, we use this required. Required means we get 1 star. So without filling this field, it will not allow to submit. So this is the required. So this is name of the participant. Then we go for the name of the college. So for the next field is name of the college. So to add name of the college, so you press on add question. So press on add question, that is plus symbol, we get next question. So here name of the participant with some star is there. So the star indicates it is compulsory, it is a mandatory. So it is required. It is required. So without filling this question, so it is not allowed to submit the form. Then the second one is second question. So name of the college or name of the department or name of the institution. Name of the institution or name of the university. Name of the university. So name of the institution or name of the university. So it comes under only short answer type. So then it is required. So like that we can add single short answer questions. So name of the name of the designation, name of the department, then gender, then mobile number. So like that we can add single questions. So 1 mark, just like short answers. So this is about short answers. So is it audible, sir?
Sir, audible, sir.
Yeah. So name of the participant, for example, my friend name is Dr. C.H. Venugopal Reddy. Then name of the institution, some RISE Prakasam Institute of Engineering Colleges.